Hey everyone, it's Rachel again, and I'm here to share a fall kit that I am currently working on. This kit is in my subscribers club over on my coffee shop. I will put the link below if you're interested in joining. It's $3 a month. And you get access to everything that is in there. So this is my fall kit. I call it the Beautiful Autumn Breeze paper collection. This I've designed as a tall and skinny album or junk journal. I'm so out of practice. This is ridiculous. So far I have background pages, and then I have the main junk journal pages. Some of them I have sewn already around the edge. This is Red River 26-pound paper, and it is single-sided. So on the back side I have my coffee dyed paper, and so I will just go through. It's very this first set is very bold, very bright, very colorful, and a little grungy. Might not be for everyone. The second set it's colorful, but it's more muted colors, not this grungy. So I have them kind of a messy pile because it's easier for me to pick them up. All right, so here is one page. I've been working on this kit for several days, maybe more like a week or so. I don't even know, but multiple layering and images, and a lot of work goes into my kits because I like to make them fairly detailed. So there's the first one. And again, here's the coffee dyed paper. The coffee dyed paper is also in the subscription club, and there are 22 pages currently uploaded over there. There's another page. And I am just noticing a boo-boo that I will fix and then re-upload. And then here's another coffee dyed paper. All the coffee dyed papers are different that I've used. I love fall. I love fall colors, the oranges and the foliage, and so this was very easy to do for me because I just love these colors, and I just couldn't stop. So I'm not even done with this kit. It's and then this is the coffee dyed paper on the back side. And then we get into some pages that I have not sewn. I've got vintage postcards in the background and some script writing. So much fun. This one is very bright. I love these moths. So much fun. And some marigolds and this beautiful little owl. Isn't he cute? He's so cute. Some sunflowers and a couple of bees. Again, there's a postcard in the background and some book pages that I have out of my own collection. So fun. Also, in the backgrounds, there are my own coffee dyed papers in amongst the layers of images that I've used. Here's a doily. There's a check in the background. Here we're into some more muted colors. They're still very colorful, so and maybe very colorful for some people, but I will go through them anyway. I love these butterflies right here. They're so pretty. And I use the same butterflies, bigger scale, larger scale, in the background of the paper here. So pretty. And this little deer, well, big deer. And then there is a like a hillside of trees in the background. And here's another deer. Got some green down here in the background, and then the blue sky. Pumpkins. Again, there's 3 moths on this one. I love the watercolor effect, the splotches. It's just, this is my style. I just love it. And another one. And another one. There's a birch tree back here in the background. I'm guessing this is a maple tree. Some antique script in the back. Again, those very fainted butterflies. Here's one of the more plainer ones. These I consider, because all of the characters and the bold images I've removed, and so now these are just background pages that are a little more subtle. There's some vintage wallpaper in the back there. Antique document there. This one's very grungy. I just love it. Some big leaves. There is, I think this is a check in the background. Got distressed edges. And here's another background page. And another one. This book in the background is from my collection. It's an English grammar book from 1894. And then I have some labels and some little images here. I have put an outline around them if you'd like to cut around the outline and not the actual image. These are some journal cards, and I went ahead, I sewed already, and instead of cutting them apart and then sewing them to paper, I just stitched it to my coffee dyed paper, and then I will cut them apart. It's a little easier to handle. And these are some large tags. Again, these I printed on cardstock, and then I sewed them to the coffee dyed paper. These are the printables in the subscription club. And then I have these large tags. These smaller scale, I have not sewn them to anything yet. And again, this is cardstock. And then same tags, just smaller size. And I made some bookmarks. Again, I am gonna sew this to coffee dyed paper. I'm gonna stitch all the way around first, and then cut them apart. So that is the kit so far. I have a lot more to add, but this is quite a bit. So if you're interested, the link for this will be below. And if you have any questions, just leave them in the comment box below. I appreciate you guys stopping by, and I hope you are having a wonderful day. All right, bye.